Have you seen The Mandalorian? I mean, anything with DeLorean in it is going to be pretty cool. Well, for me anyway. So, welcome back. I've been doing all sorts of stuff. Messing around with Maker Central. Trying to just get myself back into the shop to do some bits and pieces. I started some projects last year. Didn't manage to fix them. Fix them? Finish them. And so I've got 3 projects going at the moment, and the one I wanted to get up, I couldn't quite finish it, and I really wanted to get a project up for you this weekend because I didn't last weekend, did I? No, I did, but it was kind of a remake of bits and pieces that I did in 2019. Anyway, I digress and waffle. So have you seen The Mandalorian? And more importantly, have you seen Baby Yoda? So this guy creature is so cute, I just had to make one. So without further ado, let's do this. I think our Baby Yoda is looking pretty cool. I love this Baby Yoda. It's a toss-up between Baby Yoda and Baby Groot. That's a tough one. But I reckon if I'm going to choose, it's definitely going to be Baby Yoda. Because I'm a Star Wars fan. Come on. Okay, so there's the hands on there now, and what I'm going to have to do is leave that to dry, because I can't really put the other bits together while that's drying, because that kind of needs to stay like that. And then we can put in the base, and then we can put his head on. We can always touch up a bit of paintwork afterwards. So we've got the base model, and then we can just need to make his cloak after that. It's looking pretty cool. I reckon this is going to turn out pretty cute. Baby Yoda. What do you reckon? Now, I know he was 3D printed, but I haven't used my 3D printer for a long time, and I'm not really that great at sculpting stuff. So, what do you think? I actually think it turned out pretty well, actually. I was kind of a little bit worried that it wasn't going to turn out, you know, the way you kind of wanted it, but actually it's all right. I mean, it's scruffy, but then, you know, that's what he wears. He wears a scruffy kind of outfit, jumper, jacket. I don't want to mess around with him too much, but you can obviously move his hands around because obviously the wire in there like that, so depending upon what he wants to be doing. But I thought I'd put his arms up like he's kind of doing his thing. I mean, he's a Jedi, come on. If you haven't seen The Mandalorian, I urge you to check it out.
Come on.
It is really, really cool if you're into Star Wars kind of things, obviously. Or if you just like small baby Yoda stuff. There he is. I'm pretty chuffed with him, actually. I'm currently in the process of making an even smaller one. Tiny, and he's a little bit greener. But actually, if you look at the Yoda on Mandalorian, he is kind of fairly light green. This one's a little bit darker. I just need to play around with that. So I think this is definitely a bit more of a representation colour Yoda. So I'll make this one as well. I'll probably keep this one actually, but what I might do is I might make this one and put this one up on my website if anyone wants baby Yoda. Well, there we go. Happy days. Well, I do hope you like this one, folks. If you did, please could you share the video? That would really help. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please smash the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. I mean, come on, it's baby Yoda. He's tiny, like that. He's really cute. So am I. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. That will always let you know when I've got another video out. I've got some really cool, funky videos on the way, so please stay tuned. I will hopefully finally finish this one that I started back in October. That will hopefully be out next week. And yes, it's a funky pencil project. I hope that you're gonna like it, because it's taken me ages. Oh, before I go, I had this sent to me. Oh, lots of bars of soap. Different colours of soap. From Michelle Troffley. Trollifrey. From Nottinghamshire in the UK. Cheers, Michelle, really appreciate that, and I will try to incorporate that into some kind of a project. There are lots of soap in there. Or I just might have a wash tonight and use one of these. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, because I really like it. Hope you all have a fab weekend. Go and check out The Mandalorian. So it's goodbye from me, and it's goodbye from him. Yeah, don't do any Yoda impressions, Nick.